This is another episode of free online course, and this time around it is Coursera. Yada! Coursera.org. They have bunch of free online courses that you can do. I just stumbled into this website and I realized that they actually have courses that you can do for free, and it's like there are some paid course here and there are a bunch of free courses too that you can do here for free. So they say free online courses you can finish in a day. There are even some that you can finish in a day. These popular free courses all have top ratings and can be completed in 8 hours or less, and are among Coursera's most completed courses in 2019. Take the course for free and decide whether or not you will choose to pay for a certificate. So you can take the course for free and decide whether you want to choose to pay for certificate or not. It's up to you guys. So my name is Mayo, and in this video I will show you tons of courses that you can do on this platform for free and get certified. So let's just dive into the video. Okay, they have COVID-19 contact tracing, so you can actually do this one. This one is for beginner level. You can do it for free. They have psychological first aid. You can do that one for free. They have checkpoint jump starts network security. You can do that one too for free. They have checkpoint jump starts. They have Stanford introduction to food and health, also for beginner level. All the courses that are here are for beginner level. So let's just check around, let's explore their website. Let's explore the courses they have in stock. This one is earn your degree, intelligentsia. Oh, what is this? This one is Master of Business Administration, IMBA. Okay, they have that too. This one is Master of Computer Science in Data Science, Master of Computer and Information Technology, 100% online. That is the most interesting thing about this website. Everything you will do here is 100% online. There is no field course. You just take them at your own space. You can do them when you have time, finish them and all that. This one is Master of Computer Science. This one is a Maestra and whatever this language is, Holy Ghost knows. This one is Master of Science in Accountancy. This is IMSA. This one is Master of Science in Management, IMSM. Okay. Let's check other courses they have as we scroll down. This one is Deep Learning. This one is Specialization. 5 courses. Okay, let's check. They actually have courses for Python for everybody. Let's check this course. Python for everybody. Okay, so this is offered by University of Michigan. Okay, all you have to do is to click enroll for free. Then you can sign in. You can sign in with your full name, email, password, or you can sign with your Google account or Facebook account, or continue with Apple. So once you sign up for it, you can log in and join for free. So let's just check all the courses that they have that are for free on this platform. Okay, I saw somewhere I saw a course that is being offered by Google that they have here somewhere. I don't know. I saw the course somewhere. Okay, the course is still loading. Okay, videos, data science, career with a master degree. So let's get started with the free course, machine learning. They have how to learn powerful mental tools to whatever. There's this. Okay, this one is Python. This one is Google IT support, professional certificate. Google IT support, professional certificate that you can do. Let's check this Google IT certificate. I've actually done a lot of Google stuff, This is your launch pad to an IT career. In this program, you will learn the in-demand skills that will have you job ready in 3 to 6 months. No degree or prior experience required. Men, guys, no degree or experience required. I wish I'm an IT kind of person. Oh my gosh, my IT stuff is not up to this learn, so I wouldn't want to do this course. But if you're an IT person, you don't need experience, you don't need anything, just do this course. The course is see, almost 420,000 people already enrolled, and you start the course for free. Let's check all the details about it. Gain skills required to succeed in an entry level IT capacity. Learn to perform day-to-day IT support tasks, including computer assembly, wireless networking. Learn how to provide end-to-end customer support, ranging from identifying problems to troubleshooting and debugging. Learn to use systems including Linux, domain name system, command line interface, and binary code. Skills you will gain: debugging, encryption algorithm and techniques, customer service, network protocol. It says about these professional certificates. In this 5 course certificate program, you prepare for an entry level job in IT support through an innovation curriculum developed by Google. 80% of Google IT support professional certificate learners in the US report a career impact within 6 months, such as finding a new job, getting a raise, or starting a new business. The program is a part of Grow with Google, a Google initiative to help create economic eruption to all Netherlands. To all learn more. So this course, oh my gosh, this course is 100% free. Any certificate upon completion, you will earn it. This one you don't have to pay for this certificate. You earn it upon completion. Guys, you don't want to miss out on this course. There are other courses that you can also do here for free. Not only that, let's check other courses. This is data science, IBM. Okay. This or implementing solid principles. We have checked those ones up. That's why I didn't bother to check them. So top related courses: build a modern computer for first principles. Oh my gosh. There are courses online, and the amazing thing about Nigerians is we don't realize this on time. That's why I've put it upon myself to check websites that are doing courses for free. There are a lot of students out there that they can't afford money to go to school, but you can study courses online and get knowledge. That is the actual purpose for going to school, to get knowledge. So you can get knowledge online. You can go to a cyber cafe to study. You can, yes, or you can, if you don't have money for data, you can do on night browsing. All the things you want to do them at night. You can do night browsing on MTN for 15 naira for about 500 MB, 25 naira for 200 MB, 15 naira for 500 MB. Can you imagine? Is it 15 naira for 250 for 25 naira for 500 MB and 15 naira for 1 gig night browsing? So why not just take advantage of that? If you know you are not the buoyant kind of person, you can do that on MTN. You get yourself certified and get a job for yourself. Because I know it's not everybody that is privileged to go to school like some of us, but you can as well learn courses online that will impact your life, impact people around you, and change your story for good. So I've known several even housewives that don't have certificates, and they did online courses. Even in India, they do it a lot. In India, in other countries, they do it and get certified, and they can decide to create their own business, or they can decide to work for somebody. So just get yourself certified. No knowledge is a waste. So these are courses that some people have put it upon themselves to put them together, and you're not even aware of this. So I've put it upon myself to get you courses online that are for free that you can do and get certified. And so you won't have the excuse, oh, I don't have money to go to school, that's why I didn't learn this course, I don't have this, I don't have that, I don't have this, You can get a job online. Yes, you can get a job online. There are a lot of courses. Go to Upwork, Fiverr, all this. You just set your profile, and people will call you to help them do what you are good at doing once you learn all these courses and get certified. So guys, check all these courses out. Let's see for enterprise. Okay, if you want an enterprise and you would like to study for all this business kind of person, so transform your talent. Oh, this Airtel notifying me my data is about to run out. You see, we live in Nigeria, what do you expect? So okay, courses that you can do: content developed by world leading institution. Okay, for enterprise, these are for enterprise. These are so enterprise. Check this out, check out it worked out, and then get back. So guys, don't forget to hit the notification button and click the subscribe button, so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to get notified. And if you have a course that is very paramount to you, you want to do it but you don't know where to get it online, just leave a comment below and tell me, okay, I want to do this course, I don't know where to get it for free. I will help you search online where you can get it for free, and you will do it and get certified. So I don't know what is wrong. Okay, my data is loading up. Oh, I think guys, the internet is giving issues and all that. We have come to the end of the video, so see you next time.